Yes, we are live now in Akobo town as the civilians and the IDPs came out in large number to protest on the issue of SSPDF letter that they said they need humanitarian to evacuate, and civilians and even the United Nations to evacuate the town of Akobo. So the civilian, they say this is the last destinations and they don't want to move anywhere because they don't have anywhere to go. And this is what is happening now in Akobo right now, if you are seeing. And the huge number has turned out now. According to them, they said they need humanitarian to continue supporting them, and they need protection from the international community, especially the United Nations. And this is what is happening. This is the reactions. This is the reactions from the letter which was circulating on social media about the SSPDF wanted to operate to do offensive operations in Akobo town, and the people now, mostly women and children, they have now decided to come out in large number to protest against SSPDF decision. According to them, they said this. Most of them have witnessed what has happened to them in Walgak, in Lanken, in Uror as well. Mm.